Welcome you guys. Welcome to Kiran Swati NEET tutorials. Now today we are going to discuss a new topic. So that is about inflorescence. What about inflorescence? So inflorescence means the arrangement of flowers on the floral axis. So how the flowers are arranged on the floral axis. So that is called as what? Inflorescence. So arrangement of flowers. Right? So what is inflorescence? The arrangement of flowers on the floral axis. Is called as inflorescence. Majority of the plants, they exhibit three types of inflorescences. So those are racemose, cymose and a special type of inflorescences. What are those three types of inflorescences? So first one it is racemose inflorescence, cymose inflorescence, special type of inflorescences. So we already know about peduncle and pedicel. So what is peduncle and what is pedicel? So pedicel means the stalk of the flower we call as a pedicel. The stalk of the inflorescence we call as a peduncle. Right? So that is already cleared for you. So first we are starting with the racemose inflorescence. So racemose inflorescence, it is also called as indefinite or indeterminate inflorescence. So it is also called as what? So it is also called as indefinite or indeterminate inflorescence. So why we are called as it is indefinite or indeterminate inflorescence? So in this type of inflorescence, the peduncle it is grows continuously. So it is never terminates with a flower. So that's why it is also called as an indefinite or a indeterminate inflorescence. So we already know about peduncle, right? So see, it is a floral axis. So here these are flowers. Right? So here it is a peduncle. So this peduncle it grows continuously. It is never terminates with a single flower. So that's why it is indefinite or indeterminate inflorescence. So here the stalk of the flower what we call as it is a pedicel, and stalk of the inflorescence what we call as it is a peduncle. Right? Here the racemose inflorescence it will show a acropetal arrangement of flowers. So what is acropetal arrangement? It will show which type of arrangement? So that is acropetal arrangement. So acropetal arrangement means it is a inflorescence. Here it will produce flowers. So lower side of the flowers. So these are older flowers. So these older flowers, so those are long in length. But if you will see towards the apex, so these are short in flowers, short in size. Right? So here these flowers are long in size or long in length. But towards the apex, so here the flowers are short in length. Right? And along with that, so these are older flowers. So these are young flowers. So this type of arrangement what we call as that is a acropetal arrangement. And along with that, so here the racemose inflorescence it will shows centripetal arrangement, centripetal order. Right? So what about that centripetal order or centripetal arrangement. Centripetal order means the flowers are open from periphery to the towards the center. So the type of arrangement what we call as that is a centripetal order. We already know about head inflorescence. So in head inflorescence, in periphery part, so ray florets it is present, towards the center disc florets it is present. So if the flower it is open from ray florets to the disc florets, so the type of arrangement what we call as centripetal order, right? So here the racemose inflorescence it will show a centripetal order. So next about a cymose inflorescence. So is the cymose inflorescence, it is also called as a definite inflorescence. It means this peduncle here it is grows continuously. It never terminates with a flower, but here the peduncle it is grows so here the peduncle it is shows limited growth, right? So here the peduncle it is terminates with a single flower. So see, so it is a peduncle. So here the peduncle, if it is terminates with a single flower, so then this type of inflorescence what we call as it is a definite inflorescence. So here this growth, this peduncle growth, it is a limited growth, right? So here the inflorescence, racemose inflorescence, it will show a acropetal arrangement. But here the cymose inflorescence, it will show a basipetal arrangement. Basipetal order. What is basipetal order? So it is opposite to the acropetal order. Acropetal order means here the older flowers are long in size, so those are present in towards the lower side. But if you will see towards the apex, it will show a short in size flowers it is present. So it is here the basipetal order means it is opposite to this one. So here when the top flowers, so those are long in size, and towards the lower side here it will show a short size of flowers it is present. So the type of arrangement what we call as that is a basipetal order. It is opposite to the acropetal order, right? So along with that, here it will show a centripetal arrangement in a racemose inflorescence. So here the cymose inflorescence it will show a centrifugal arrangement. What type of arrangement that is? So that is it will shows centrifugal arrangement. Centrifugal arrangement means the flowers are open from center towards the periphery. So if you will see centripetal order means what? So here the flowers are open from periphery towards the center, but here the flowers are open from center towards the periphery, right? So it is about a centrifugal arrangement. So that is found in a cymose inflorescence. So next inflorescence is what? So next one it is a special type of inflorescence. So again it is a 3 types. So first one it is a verticellaster, cyathium, and last one is hypanthodium. What are those 3 types? Verticellaster, cyathium, hypanthodium. So these are the 3 types of special type of inflorescence it is present in plants, right? So it is about various types of inflorescences. So in next class we will discuss about different types of racemose inflorescences, right? So I hope it is helpful for you guys. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.